Hi everyone, Agustin here of Wigs Philippines. So for this video, I'm going to teach you how to measure your head using another technique. Yes, another technique. So we're going to use this. Pasensyahan yung table natin. We just assisted few clients today. And I have to make this video. So for one of our clients from out of town. So alright. So this is the basic traditional cap that I'm using when it comes to using a wig. So I would usually fit your head pag nandito kayo, and I'll use this. And then I would pin it up para lang to check ano yung perfect size ng wig para sa inyo. So let's say for example, this cap is the standard medium cap. So if ever online, papadalan ko kayo ng 3 sizes ng cap, and you can just simply adjust it if ever na maluwang pa rin siya sa inyo. So let's say for example, this one. The size is on medium. So ito. So if ever meron kayong hair, I suggest make sure na nakasuot kayo ng wig cap ay nakapasok talaga sa loob ng maayos and bilog na bilog yung ulo ninyo if meron kayong natural hair. And then, saka nyo gagamitin tong cap na to. Again, this video or this concept is para lang doon sa mga hindi makakapunta dito sa atin. Okay? Para makuha yung measurement. So, if ever I'll send this to you, there are 3 sizes, and if ever merong isa doon na okay na yung size, no need to pin down. That means, yun na yung wig size ninyo. But of course, maraming instances na yung small natin hindi pa rin sapat, maliit pa rin yung ulo, then that's the time that we have to pin it down. So let's say for example, this one. Ito, medium cap siya. But as you could see, alam mo nakikita, pero ayan o, parang may fold, ayan. Kita niya yan? Ayan o. That means, yan yung luwag niya. Maluwag siya. So, yan yung ipipin natin. So, ang kailangan natin aside from the cap is safe pins. So, ako, what I usually do is, yan, pipin ko lang simula rito. Pin lang. As in, as close as possible, syempre dun sa head size. And then, paikot lang to guys. All over the head. And then, ayun na. Yun na yung head measurement. And then, paano naman yung pagpapadala? Syempre, I suggest na ilagay siya sa box na kung saan hindi mayuyupi or hindi mawawala yung pick-up-pin. Kasi hindi... Sorry. Alright. Kalma. So, ito, dito naman tayo sa other side. So, as you could see, meron din tayong, ayan, meron din tayong fold dito. So, kapag finik mo talaga siya, ayan, merong ganyan, oh, ayan, yan. So, ako dito, so, ipipin lang din natin to. Ayan, nakikita ba? Ayan. Tuloy-tuloy na natin yung video. Hindi ko rin naman siya i-edit. So, I'll just edit as it is. I mean, I'll just post as it is. Para real time din talaga. So, if ever na kayo ay design para sa ganitong process, keep it up. Sa inyo nakasalalay yung measurement ng wig ninyo. Or let's say for example, wig ng mom ninyo, or ng dad ninyo, or ng husband or wife ninyo. Yan. So make sure lang na makikita or matatansya namin kung saan kami magtatahi. Kasi it needs adjustment. So as you could see, meron na on both sides. This side and on this side. Ngayon, level yan hanggang likod. So, kailangan pati hanggang likod, ibabalance out ninyo. So, paikot siya, yung paganon lang, yung measurement para makuha natin siya. Ayan. And here on this side naman. Ayan yung nakikita nyo, di ba? Ayan yung, pinipin natin. And syempre, for the finale, ayun. Alright. So, here it is. So, as you could see, ayan. So, usually, okay lang na mayroong gap between here and here. Kapag masyado siyang close, masakit na yon. The reason bakit malayo siya dito sa patilla is because pag nagka-hair na yan, guys, babagsak yan dito. Alright? So, dito naman, ayan, as you can see, may fold dyan. Ibig sabihin niya yung tatahiin natin para mag-fit yung wig. Yan. Ayan. And there you have it. So, again, this is the proper way on how you can measure your head through this technique na kung saan mapapadala kami ng cap sa inyo. So, no need na yung, yung cling wrap. So, this one also works. At least ito, nasusukat na talaga yung actual cap na. Alright? So, if you need a wig, a human hair wig, to be exact, and customized, and yung masisigurado mo yung warranty kasi magagawa natin siya, or matatransfer to another cap, or whatever, magagawa lahat. From hair texture, hair color, hair length, kumbaga, anything that you need for a wig, we can do that. Pero may mga extreme, titignan pa rin natin. Just please message me on Facebook or on our website, www.wigsph.com, or our Facebook, facebook.com/wigsph, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, just search Wigs Philippines. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video and see you soon. Bye!